Hello everyone, today I will show you a practical tip for cycling through multiple images or audio files from your desktop in touchdesigner. These can be handy if you are performing live and want to switch between different medium files quickly and want to optimize for the live performance. Since we are not storing the images inside touchdesigner, they are on your desktop. However, it can also be helpful for general usage when you work a lot with medium files and you just want to preview quickly how different visuals will look with the visuals you've set up in touchdesigner. Before we start building, let me show you what I've prepared. I have two folders in my desktop where I store the images and two audio files. Here is when I move the slider, I want to change different audio files and change the texture of my visuals in the background. In my case, I'm using the slider. You can also use keyboard in where you press key 1 and it loads the first image, press key 1 again, load the second one, and so on and so forth. I think this is the same concept, works for your MIDI controllers. You map them to the keys or knobs. Let's get started. You need a folder where you want to point the root to your files. In this case, I will just use image as an example. Add a select that. We can take a look at the folders. I have 3 images stored here. Now if you look inside the folder that table, you will see it organized into columns and rows, and the file path is stored in column 1, and each files is in separate row, which means row 1, row 2, row 3. And what we need to do with select is we want to select row 1, 2, 3 with our sliders. To do that, in the select, we select by rows, index, and columns, also index. And since our columns will always be 1, I will change to 1, 1. Now we only have our file paths. In here, we want to cycle through different rows. That's when we need the mask chop. We need a way to control which gets selected. You first add a slider, and then you add a mask, add a null, and you reference the null to the index here. Okay, the numbers we need are 1, 2, 3. And by default, the slider gives you the value from 0 to 1. We need the mask to do 2 things. The first is change the range to 0 to 1 to 1 and 3. The second thing is the slider gives you a decimal number. We want to turn it into an integer in the mask here. Turn on the integer floor. And now when you move through the slider, you will give the whole number of 1, 2, 3. If you see the select here is changing as we moving. After that, we want to map these medium files to drive our visuals. In this case, I have this ASCII texture component set up where I want to map the medium files in here. In the file path, reference this select. In this case, it's select 3, and then column 0 and 0. This is the columns 0 and 0. When I move this slider, I'm able to cycle through different images. And that's it. I think it's pretty straightforward, and looking forward to what you've making with this. And if you want the exact project files, remix ready templates, and commercial use assets, they're all on my Patreon. Download and project notes included, so you can remix faster and focus on what you do best, and support me to create more visual assets for you. See you next time!